The Political Affairs Committee (PAC) of the Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee (MPCC) has convened a critical meeting yesterday at Congress Bhawan BT Road, Imphal, under the leadership of K. Megachandra, President of the MPCC. The session focused on addressing the ongoing unrest in Jiribam district, which has persisted since June 6. In attendance were several prominent figures, including O. Ibobi Singh, leader of the Congress Legislative Party (CLP) in Manipur, Gai Khangam, member of the Congress Working Committee (CWC), AICC, and K. Ranjit Singh, deputy CLP leader. Other notable attendees included T.H. Lokeshwar Singh, party chief whip, newly elected MPs Dr. Angomcha Bimol Koizam and Alfred Kangam as Arthur, former MPCC presidents M. Okendro and N. Loken Singh, working presidents MD Fazur Rahim and Victor K. Singh, former minister, A.K. Mirabai Devi and former MLA MD Amin Shah. The PAC discussed the current situation in Jiribam district in detail and passed several key resolutions. The committee appealed to both the central and state governments to take immediate actions to control the ongoing violence and protect the lives and properties of the residents. The PAC emphasized the need for proper utilization of the central and state forces deployed in the district, urging adherence to responsibilities outlined in relevant acts and rules to restore peace and harmony. Additionally, the PAC called upon the central and state governments to exercise their constitutional powers and duties to ensure peace and stability across Manipur. The meeting also resolved to induct Dr. Angomcha Bimol Koizam, MP-elect, as a new member of the PAC, joining Alfred Kangam as Arthur, who is already a member.